Hello, let's look at how to make a website in ChatGPT, that is using ChatGPT as a website development tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you a website that took me 2 hours, approximately 2 hours to build. And that 2 hours includes mistakes, backtracking, all the things, inefficiencies that go along with doing this for the first time. So this is a website for cloud lovers, and this is the homepage that ChatGPT created for me. It has some different links. Go to Cloud Galleries. It's all produced by ChatGPT with some things that I had to edit in personally, but again, it only took about 2 hours to do totally. You can view the gallery, look for images. Okay. More images, so on. And go to forums. These are all pages that ChatGPT created for me with a little bit of manual editing, site identification, okay, and so on and so forth. Let's see what else we have here. I'm just kind of flipping through the different pages on this website. These events don't really exist. They were just made up by ChatGPT. Didn't make a file for that one yet. Groups. All right, so photography. That link doesn't exist yet. We can make it later. So there's quite a number of different pages here. What we're going to do is add another page. So why don't we decide what page we're going to add? Go back to the beginning here, and let's go to Cloud Gallery. Let's go to forums again here, and how about weather discussion? We'll add a page for weather discussion. Okay. My first thing is you go to ChatGPT, and clicked on the Cloud Lovers thread here. And since we're going to ask for a page on weather discussion, I'm going to ask them to create a page for weather discussion. Okay, well, this happens. So we'll try logging in again. And what was that link again? What was that called? It was called weather discussion. All right, now it's generating the web page. Currently, it's generating the CSS code for it. Sometimes it doesn't generate the CSS code, and then you can ask it to generate the CSS code. Pretty soon it'll get to the HTML. And there's another problem that happens. Sometimes it just stops in the middle. It just stopped making code. So we'll ask it to continue. So it's actually starting at the beginning. This happened. So it's not the most efficient way to do it, but it's sure quicker than doing it yourself. This time, instead of continue the code, I wrote keep going. And this time, instead of redoing it, it's just continuing to write more code. Other times I've typed in keep going and it doesn't understand, claims not to understand what I mean. All right, with any luck, it'll finish up the page here. Let's see. Okay, very nice. All right, so we got two chunks of code here in the black boxes here. Here's the first chunk. We'll copy that code. Copy code. Okay, now I'm going to go and make a web page here. Okay. New file. Call it weather discussion.html. Okay, now I'm going to paste in that block of code that we just copied. And here's where it ends, right here. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and get the second chunk of code. This is right here. Okay, I copied that. Go back to the editor, paste it in. Okay, I'm going to save it. All right, let's take a look at it. Let's see what it came up with. Weather discussion. Okay, here is the web page. Okay, now I'm going to link it in to the website. So we were in the forums.html. We search for weather discussion. Weather discussion. All right, here there's just it's a hash symbol here. We want to change that to the regular file here. The weather discussion.html. Save it. Okay, so now if I click weather discussion, it should come up with, there it is, there's the page. Now this page, really the style could use a little updating. So as a bonus here, let's fix the style. So I'm going to say, using the style for this page that is colorful, impacts the viewer. I'll kind of ham it up here. really kicks them in the eyeballs, dazzles them a bit, etc. Unique and distinctive file or CSS code. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, so it's doing it. And while it's doing it, I'm going to go back to weather discussion, the weather discussion file here. And as you can see, it already has a style, but we didn't like the style. So I'm going to get rid of this style. Delete it. Okay, and I'm going to put the new style right between the HTML style tags right there. Let's see what it does. Okay, here's the style. Copy the code, copy right there. Go back to file here. I'm going to paste it right in here. I'm going to put some spaces here just so I can get back to it and make sure that nothing needs to be fixed up just to make it work properly. Just make sure we're okay. All right. Yeah, we're starting right off with the body style. Should be okay. Go back down to the bottom here of the style. This looks okay with the defective spaces. Save it. Okay, here's the file. Now I'm going to refresh it. It should refresh it with the new style. Let's see what it comes up with. There we go. Okay. So that's how you add new pages to the website. If you want the initial page on the website, just tell it you want the start page of the website. And good luck.